Good morning, everybody. It's Jared Havens here, financial freedom strategist, co-founder and CEO of Credit Life. I am so excited. What are you doing this Saturday morning? And what are you doing next Saturday morning? Well, right below in this email, I have a link to two different radio shows I'm going to be on. This Saturday morning, I'm going to be on what's called the Minnesota Home Talk radio show on ESPN. And then next week, I'm on the Minnesota Real Estate Show. The reason why I want to invite everyone to join me on that show is I'm going to be going over a lot of tips and strategies that you can implement right away after you listen to this radio show that will 100% positively impact your credit score and your credit profile. And if you're someone that's looking to buy a home, if that's a goal of yours, you're going to want to take action on these steps because it's going to put you in a better position in the future to compete in this highly competitive market. The best way to do that is by having more buying power. How do you get more buying power? Better credit. That will lead to you being able to compete in this insane market. So right below, I have two separate links. This Saturday morning, we have the Minnesota Home Talk radio show. Next Saturday morning, we have the Minnesota Real Estate Show. I'll be on both radio shows. And so excited to give value and give clarity to our audience, our listeners, our clients, everyone within the Facebook group, Free Credit Repair Advice. I want to make sure that we're constantly giving back. That's the way, because the more that you can learn and execute, everything is better. Less stress. You have more clarity in your action. You know what you're doing. You know what you're working for. You're motivated. You see positive results. When you see positive results, what happens? Well, you're more motivated to keep on going. And that's exactly what I want to see for everyone, okay? So join me this Saturday morning, Minnesota Home Talk Radio Show, ESPN, and next Saturday morning on the Minnesota Real Estate Show. Both links are below in this email. If you have any questions about Credit Life, our programs, our services, I also have a link that you can fill out a contact form. We help people when it comes to credit, repairing your past, building credit, building debt management, how to manage debt in a way to maximize results, get out of debt, get in a better position for the mortgage. We help people who are business owners. You want to build business credit? You want to access financing? Well, check this out. Talk to us. We're going to show you how to position yourself to be able to do that. You have student loans and want to figure out how to restructure them. That's going to be better for you financially, knowing that they're going to be coming out in September out of deferment. You need to be proactive, right? We have these financial wellness services in place to assist and empower you to action to get results that is going to benefit you. So have a great day. So excited. One last thing I wanted to bring up tonight, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, and 5 p.m. Pacific. I'm going to be hosting the Credit Hacks and Strategies virtual workshop tonight live, okay? This is an event that if you can make time for it, you want to join. So I'm going to include the RSVP link in there, okay? This is going to be an event where I'm going to be going over success hacks to maximize your credit, how to repair it, how to build it, how to manage it, and I'm going to be introducing the ultimate house buying system and the 7 proven steps to get you in the best position to do that. So join that event. We got a lot of good stuff going here. Have a great day. Hope to see you tonight. And I also hope to see you on the radio show. If you're not local to me here in Minnesota, doesn't matter. In the links, you can attend and listen to that wherever you're at. Thank you so much. Have a great day.